Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzayani binti Rosli. My number is PB201094. Today I will interview my parents what they understand about balanced diet and their lifestyle. Sila perkenalkan diri, nama, tinggi, berat dan pekerjaan.
Nama ibu Sabariyah binti Azmi. Ibu berumur 37 tahun. Berat ibu 54 kilogram. Tinggi ibu 155 cm. Dan ibu bekerja sebagai pembantu takbir di USM.
Apa yang ibu faham tentang diet yang seimbang?
Pengambilan makanan seimbang yang mengandungi zat dan nutrisi untuk membekalkan tenaga seharian.
Terangkan diet harian ibu bermula daripada sarapan sehingga makan malam.
Okey, untuk sarapan pagi, ibu selalunya ambil 2 keping roti wholemeal, telur, sayur dan buah-buahan. Untuk makan tengah hari, ibu akan ambil selalu nasi bersama sayur, ikan ataupun ayam dan bersama sayuran. Untuk makan malam, selalunya ibu tak ambil nasi, tapi ibu lebihkan makan buah-buahan dan sayuran bersama dengan sumber protein macam ayam, ikan.
Macam mana ibu kekalkan kesihatan ibu?
Untuk kekalkan kesihatan ibu, ibu selalu mengambil banyak makanan seperti sayur-sayuran, buah-buahan dan makanan yang berkhasiat. Ibu elakkan makanan yang berminyak, yang berlemak dan yang tidak sihat.
Ibu senam kan?
Ibu juga bersenam setiap hari.
What is your name, height, weight, age and occupation?
Okay, my name is Rosli bin Hassan. My height is 170 centimeters.
Your weight?
I am 78 kilograms.
Okay. Your age?
And I am 41 years old.
Occupation?
My occupation is administrative and diplomatic officer. Currently working for pejabat daerah in Tanah, daerah Barat Daya.
What do you understand about balanced diet?
A balanced diet is a diet that contains all sorts of nutrition that a person needs. Humans needs a certain calories and nutrients to stay healthy. A balanced diet provides all nutrients that a person needs.
What is your daily diet starting from breakfast to dinner?
My diets for a day will be like, for breakfast I will eat 2 boiled eggs and sliced bread. For lunch, I usually have rice with any other sorts of proteins and some veggies. For dinner, I will have some rice with sometimes fish or chicken, and most importantly, to have veggies in my diet for dinner. For dinner, I usually will have an early dinner to avoid sleeping with full stomach. So that is not so healthy diet when you go to sleep with full stomach.
How do you maintain your health?
To maintain my health, the most important is to have balanced diet and to regularly exercise and have some supplements like vitamin C, calcium, and also for me, it's important to drink milk to ensure that my bones are strong and healthy because I am over 40 years old now.
Thank you for your cooperation helping me with the interview.